Just got dropped off. Check into the airport. You checking it out? You good, babe?
Yeah, I'm good, baby.
There's some help.
Thank you. Where's the church?
Up there, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago. The local time is 12:40 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all your personal belongings before exiting the aircraft and be careful when opening overhead compartments.
Finally landed. One more stop, and then I think we should be good. Next stop, Tokyo. 13 hours, finally made it. Welcome to Japan, baby. Catching a bus to our hotel.
Let's go to the lobby. Right there, reception. The third floor. Let's take the elevator.
We're all checked in.
Push it.
It's tiny.
Yeah, it's like Shanice's apartment.
I'll take it though. Get the elevator. There's a cafe down there, but I don't think I want to eat down there. Let's go get something quick. And then go for a trip. Day one of our Tokyo trip. Time to get lost. Currently raining here. Weather's terrible. Thank you.
Vegetable and chicken.
Go.
いらっしゃいませ。45回転ボール。
You sure this is top floor?
Yeah, this is the top floor. It's cloudy, baby.
It sucks. It's so foggy. You can't even get a good view. Government building was a bust.
It's rainy, it's foggy.
So after leaving the government building, we came over to Shinjuku Station. Went to a couple department stores. Place is so busy. Weather is so crappy.
See all the umbrellas.
But the view is great. Weather is so bad. Trying to make the best of it. Getting lost in Japan. Oh, it's rain. I mean, the only thing we could do is jump around from shopping center to shopping center. So, this is like the fifth one that we're taking a look at.
Hey, we're right there, babe. We're in Times Square.
This is the last shopping center. After this, we'll just grab something to eat, okay? It's so difficult to find some chopsticks.
They're so pretty. But the eye doesn't move, but it's like the real version.
Starving. Enough shopping. Gotta get some food. It's cold, rainy. It's supposed to clear up the next couple of days, but we'll see. You want me to take out mine? Oh, you got it. Okay.
I didn't look at the boiling eggs.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Not the special?
No, not the special one. Good.
Alright, so. Love it, love it. That looks delicious. Alright, let's dig in.